Hi everybody, I am Dr.S.Rengeswari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce, Professional Accounting. Today I am going to be discussed about the process of registration process of sole proprietorship. Some of the clarifications we need for the registration process. So today I am going to be clarify that doubts. Before entering into the topic, I framed the objectives for this topics. The first objective is to know about the sole proprietorship, and the second one is to learn about the registration process of sole proprietorship. Before entering into the topics, we are going to be discussed about the sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a single person can do the business activities. He is the one and only person for running the business. He is the decision maker and secret maintenance also. Because a sole proprietor exercises right makings to business choices. In a sole proprietorship business, the sole proprietorship alone is responsible for all the business activities because he is a single owner of this business. These are all the questions we arise for starting the sole proprietorship. Is it mandatory for file ITR for sole proprietorship? Yes, it is not a mandatory. A GST, that is a goods and service tax, is not a mandatory for a sole proprietorship. A firm in India, unless certain conditions are met. The requirement of a GST registration depends upon the turnover and nature of the business activities. Second question, is sole proprietorship easy to form? Yes, sole proprietorship is easy to establish. Exactly, because he is a single person can doing the business. There is no legal activities or legal steps to form this business kind of activities. The owner and begin conducting the business automatically become a sole proprietorship. The next question is, what are the documents are to be necessary for registering the sole proprietorship? The PAN card, name and address of the business, bank account in the name of business alone, not for the personal, registration under the shop and establishment act of the respective state, registration under GST if the business turnover exceeds only for rupees 20 lakhs or otherwise no need to taken for the GST. The next one question is, what is the cost of sole proprietorship firm registration fees? The cost of sole proprietorship registration fee is in India 1999 only. It is include all the expenses, that is government and professional fees also. There is no indirect fees collection in the starting the sole proprietorship. And the next question is, what is the legal status of the sole proprietorship in India? So a sole proprietorship does not having to establish a separate legal entity from the owner. In the other words, identification of the owner or single proprietor is the same as the identity of the company entity. As a result, the entity owner is entirely responsible for all the obligations the company may occur. So most probably here there is no legal requirements does not needed for starting the sole proprietorship. And the last question is, can sole proprietor claim expenses? Yes, a sole proprietor can claim the expenses also. In India, within the India can deduct the expenses related to the home or office. The portion of the expenses are to be rent, utilities, internet and other expenses directly associated with conducting the business from their own home or business activities. And finally, I conclude my topic. We are going to be, he is a single person for going to starting the business. So there is no legal formalities are not required and there is no legal registration are not required. If the sole proprietorship, the GST is required only for the 20 lakhs, above 20 lakhs means the GST required. So it is easy to form the business. Okay, thank you.